Hello everybody and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. So on today's video I'm going to be replacing my passenger side view mirror on a Dodge Ram Promaster 2500. I went ahead and bought an aftermarket side view mirror from eBay for about 75 bucks. This one does not include the motor or the heating element, but you can buy those for about $30 more. $30 to $50 more, and it will come with that. It's just an extra connection. I don't really need that, so I'm just going to go ahead with the simple one connection. So go ahead and get you a T40 torque screw wrench, and you're going to remove these two screws here first on the left side, and there'll be two more beyond this beige panel. So just get those two removed, and then you'll just kind of pop open this beige panel and remove the other two screws. You can kind of get your hands in there. It's just held on by clips, so just kind of pull it off. And it doesn't have to come off all the way. And just get those last two screws removed like so. Alright, and after we get these two screws removed, you're going to want to pop up the mirror cover like so. And pop open the speaker cover as well. Remove the three screws and the connector, and this will release the speaker. We're going to be going underneath here later to reinstall the connector, so you want to have the space for your hand. Okay, so you can see there's a gray and a black connector. You're going to want to remove both of those. So just get your hand in there, maybe use a flathead or just a finger, and kind of lift up on the tab, and then they separate. Now you'll be able to completely remove the side view mirror. So just jiggle that out. Be careful because the connections are still in there, so it's going to take a little bit of wiggling out, but they will come free. Alright, and just like so. Now those are the two connectors with the heating element and the motor. We only have one because I went the cheap route, and mine just has a light attached to it, but that will be fine. So we got the new mirror with the one connector there, and you're just going to slide that down, and we'll be using the speaker cover to grab that later. So just get that down as far as you can go, and then you will insert the mirror, and make sure you insert it top first. So I went with the bottom. There's actually a hook, so you'll see me now adjust and put the top on first. Okay. Then you're going to want to open the door back up, and then grab the connection there that you're going to see pop out just like so, and route that upwards through the top right into the black connector like so, and then you'll snap the tab back on to make sure that it has a snug fit. The gray connector will not be getting used anymore. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and just tighten back down the screws, the 4 screws we did before. Make sure all 4 are in first, and then tighten them all down. Okay, all of them are nice and tight. Then you can put the speaker screws back in along with the connector. Alright, that looks good. Just make sure the screws are nice and tight and the cable's out of the way. Okay, now you're going to put the mirror button back, assembly back on. Left side first. And put the cover for the speaker back on. Those line up as well with tabs. and just snap that into place. Alright, then do a nice review of the area, make sure everything's nice and snug. Alright, and just like that, we are done. Just make sure the door handle and the mirrors work up and down and all around. And let's take a look at the final product, which looks absolutely fantastic, just like new. Alright everybody, with that said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.